In this video, I'm going to show you how to make solid culture media. So today I'll be making LB agar. For that, I'll be using the pre-made granulated LB broth, and to make it solid media, I'm going to add agar. In the directions, it says that you need to dissolve 25 grams of the granules in 1 liter of purified water to make 1 liter of media. So today I'm going to be making 250 milliliters, so I'll use 6.25 grams from the LB granules. And to make it a solid media, I'll be adding agar. So usually we add 1.5% of agar to a solid media. So that means in 1 liter you need to add 15 grams of agar. To make 250 milliliters, I will add 3.75 grams from the agar powder. And I also have 250 milliliters of distilled water. Now I need to measure 6.25 grams from the LB granules. So I have a clean weighing board and a spatula. Now I place this on the balance and press stir to make it 0. Now I have 6.25 grams, and I'm going to put this into a clean beaker with a stir bar in it. And now I will pour about 75% of the water. And then I'm going to turn on the stirrer. I'm not heating this, I'm just dissolving the granules in the water. So after a few minutes, you can see the powder is completely dissolved, the solution is clear. Now I'm going to add the rest of the water. And now I'm going to measure out 3.75 grams of agar powder. And this 3.75 of agar powder I'm going to put into a bottle. This is a 500 milliliter bottle, and I'm going to pour in the LB granules that we dissolved earlier into this bottle. As you can see, the agar does not dissolve immediately. We need to autoclave this to sterilize, and during the high heat the agar also will be dissolved. So I'm going to close this with a lid, and I'm putting a piece of autoclave tape. There's a line that you see here after the autoclave cycle. This line will turn black. That will indicate a successful sterilization cycle. And I'm going to loosen the cap a little bit to let out the pressure. Otherwise, if the pressure builds up and the lid is closed too tight, the bottle will explode in the autoclave. So I'm going to loosen the lid a little bit. So we normally only add about half of the volume of the container, half or 1/3 of the volume of the container when you put a liquid media in the autoclave. So this is ready to be autoclaved and sterilized.